Amphenol 2M Series Micro Miniature Connectors, your guaranteed solution for optimal performance in military and aerospace applications. Hi, I'm Andy Milner, Product Manager at PI Genesis. Today we are showcasing the 2M Series from Amphenol Aerospace. Engineered to mil-spec standards, the 2M Series connectors are designed for superior performance in the most demanding environments. Lightweight and robust, these connectors excel in applications requiring compact, high-speed, and durable solutions, ideal for armored vehicles, aircraft, helicopters, UAVs, and more. Meeting D30999 specifications for vibration and shielding, the 2M Series offers enhanced performance over Glenair Mighty Mouse connectors as an intermatable solution. Perfect for aviation, military communications, and UAVs, Amphenol's 2M Series connectors are quick mating and available in a variety of styles. The 2M Series is available in various coupling mechanisms including dual start Acme threads, quarter turn bayonet coupling, push-pull quick disconnect, and tri-start threaded coupling. There is also a hermetic configuration available. To learn more about the Amphenol 2M Series connectors, check out our specifications below or use the following information to contact us. Amphenol 2M Series, where performance meets reliability. Thanks for watching and see you next time.